Do your backflip, boys.
Guys, watch me do a backflip for my 18th birthday.
19th. Yay! What are you doing?
I'm making a video. Shh. Are you freaking serious right now? Oh my gosh.
There goes the crackhead that I see each morning.
Oh yeah, nah, for sure, bro. I mean, I'll check in tomorrow, bro.
Can I do that? Wait, let me try.
Okay, wait. Yeah, call me patty cake. Yeah, ass shake. Did I do it?
So what's the problem?
Huh?
What's the problem?
Oh, sitting. You ready?
Okay.
Just going on a little stroll through the Everglades. Nothing too exciting. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's a big lizard.
No, because they're so ugly. Oh my god, okay. This is what I wanted, okay? This is the pastels, and this is what I got.
Alright, so my Spanish class is acting a little sus. Watch this.
¿Dónde están mis hijas?
¿Dónde están mis hijas?
My bad, y'all. I forgot to give y'all your blankets. Are you awake?
Let me get this straight, Bars. You said Josh was hitting on you? If I see Josh, I'm gonna beat his wiener right off. I will. Why am I so cute? I don't know. I just like to protect you. I swear, if I see Josh, I'm gonna beat his fa la 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 la. Hey, Mom. No, I was just singing Christmas. I was just singing Christmas music to my girlfriend. All right, bye. Love you. Anyway, back to what I was saying. If I see Josh, I'm gonna beat his tiny little
I just made out with your brother.
I'm laying in the bed right now and I'm just like, you know, maybe I should get out the bed and go do something off the bed. But I realize if I get off the bed, I'm going to be out there doing nothing when I could just be doing nothing in the bed.
Hey.
Hey, can I have a hug?
Yeah.
You smell so good right now.
Do you want to have sex?
No?
And why would you say that?
Wait. Fuck. You smell good. What was I thinking?
Good night to everybody, except people that say, you didn't know that? When you tell them something cool, you're all excited to share some cool information. They say, you didn't know that? How did you not know that?
Wait. There it is.
Bro, my friend was calling me and it went on my laptop and I answered it on my phone, so now my laptop is like bugging. It's just... Oh.
Hey, this is Livy, Kyle's girlfriend.
What's up?
Kyle said he was with you, and I was just wondering if that was true.
Yeah, Kyle's always with me.
Oh, okay. Can I talk to him?
Yeah, here you go. What's up? Hold on, I'll tell you later.
Guys, I'll be your tour guide for today, and the first thing we're gonna see is on one of the biggest objects in the world. Now, if you look to your right, you'll see this person's enormous ass forehead. Now, don't be shy, take pictures if you want, and we'll keep moving. Come on.
Oh my god, baby, imagine if I look like this. Let's look on you. It don't work on you, huh?
When you see this, don't change anything about how you're sitting or laying down, just turn the camera toward your face.
Hey, not a lot going on around here lately. Let's just see what's behind this door. I'm very sad about a variety. No, is there a better door around here, maybe?
God bless you. Thank you. Damn, I gotta kill you. I know.
All right, cutie.
You're so gay ass.
All right, sweetie. All right, cupcake.
Who cupcake?
All right, baby girl. All right, cutie pie. All right, cutie.
Appreciate it.
Hey, man, hell no.
I get stuck in the jam, you gon' run up them bands. I'ma throw you a plan, but you gotta stand. No, I can't your hand, gotta dig through the sand.
Hey, stop eating our pumpkin! Stop it! Tucker, get away! Get out of here!
This is such a good movie.
Do you know you'll be really good?
What'll be really good?
Start with P-O
Yeah.
and with R-N. Popcorns.
Popcorn.
Finish him! Finish him!
Finish him!
I love you, honey.
I love you, Mommy.
You're my favorite person in the whole wide world.
Why can't come in my butt? Why my butt? Do you want my butt, Mommy?
On the ledge, what if he falls over?
Don't push. Don't push. Theo, don't push. Yes, you are, bro.
What are you doing, Dad?
There has to be a white dude out there who was raised in China and speaks Chinese, but when he tries to speak English, everybody thinks he's a racist jerk because of his accent.
How long have you lived in Singapore?
Singapore, 9 years already.
9 years, and then before that?
2 years in China, then some more, got 5 years in the States.
Wow. Okay, the people
try to follow. She's never been said but she's never been said nothing. She's not for a hot time right now. My boyfriend said she's cheating on her with my best friend. I can't believe you're actually doing this to her. She's so horrible. She could go kill herself tonight. That'll be all on you, yeah?
I'm gonna give you to the count of 100 and then I'm gonna chase you. 1, 2,
Hey.
Oh, hey.
What's going on?
Huh? You're talking to me?
Yeah.
Oh, hey.
Yeah, I'm making an Insta story.
I'm Steve. Oh, you're holding your phone. Oh, I'm
Yeah.
Steven. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
so I don't go to bed at 1 o'clock in the morning.
Hello, Dad.
Hi. Come on, give me the iPad.
Swear or something.
No.
Just say the D word.
Damn. Come on.
Adam, say a swear word.
Fucker.
Give me that.
Walking in a winter wonderland. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen, Dixon, all these reindeer pulling all the rain.
Whose turn was it on ladder F?
Letter F was Tejas.
Oh, okay.
Yo, can I swerve you for a TikTok?
Bum ba dum bum 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 bum. We are farmers.
Two of my baby started when we were younger. You were my boo. No.
Honestly, my fucking dog honks the horn at me when I take too long. I really wish everyone. Jenny! Stop it! No! All I'm trying to do is get wine.
I'm gonna get wasted. I just finished my whole cup of 42. Mackenzie, what the fuck are you on? Adderall. No, you're. Oh.
What are you doing? I'm gonna kill you.
Takes her to the vet and they do blood work.
Catherine, stop! I can't even talk to my friends. Sicker. Yes.
What the fuck?
Welcome to Olive Garden. What can I get for you?
Yeah, can I just get a chicken Alfredo?
Okay, did you want a super salad with that?
Yeah, I'll take one.
Super salad.
Yeah, super salad.
Yeah, super salad.
Yeah, I want a super salad. I mean, what comes in a super salad?
Did you want the soup or did you want the salad? Soup or salad?
Oh,
When you see this, don't change anything about how you're sitting or laying down, just turn the camera toward your face.
Play that shit on TNT. Yeah, baby.
What group are they boarding? 4? Come on.
We forever gonna be cooling. You know what I'm saying? We forever cooling.
Oh, Mira, how cute. How are you doing this?
So I can watch you and a movie at the same time. Best of both worlds.
This is so high tech.
I know.
So cool.
Do you know why they're making those? It's
Why?
Because children have hung themselves on those cords.
Oh, that's not good. Look, it says. my shake. Shake that booty! Go, go, dude, you have to go. Literally go, go, go. Emma, go. You need to go. Go. You need to go. You need to go.
What'd you say before? She's fragile?
She's fragile like a glass.
Yeah, so we have to be very careful with her. Oh, I gotta get gas.
I'm just gonna...
A race down a hill, chasing a wheel of double Gloucester cheese. The race is over 100 meters long. The hill is steeper than 45 degrees.
For real,
This
keep watching.
is no ordinary race. It is the most dangerous foot race in the world. And this is no ordinary hill.
Like, are you serious right now?
Is Cooper's Hill.
My life just got flipped, turned upside down.
If that's slow, what the fuck is fast?
Hey everyone, this is my sister. Y'all ain't never seen two pretty best friends. Till now.
What the fuck, Caden? Ew. Caden, for real, man. This is the 5th time this month.
Mom.
Stop trying
Mom.
to kiss your sister.
Mom.
Millions of Americans live alone. One fall could end it all.
I've fallen and I can't get up.
This could be your mother. But with Life Alert, emergency services are with you at any time.
I had a bit of a fall.
We'll be there in 3 hours.
Hey, can I get some water?
Yeah.
This isn't water.
Yeah, it's even better if you did water.
I guess milk is good for you.
Yeah. It's not just any kind of milk, though.
Excuse me?
Yeah. It's almond milk.
Oh, thank God. I thought you were gonna say some weird shit like there's man milk in it.
Of course not, no. My semen is in it, though.
Calling the pizza place, it's ringing. Tell them you want a large pizza and steak and cheese. I got it. Don't be weird about it. Just say it. Hello? Are you doing food? Jesus Christ.
Okay, we're playing hide and seek. Close your eyes. 1, 2, 3. I'm hiding.
Okay, open your eyes.
I just found Jasmine and she doesn't know that I'm here. Hey, Jasmine!
Oh no!
We were adrift.
You're the emotion I can't ignore. I could get used to this for sure. Listen to my heartbeat. Heartbeat. Are you fucking kidding me?
What?
Are you fucking killing me?
Where did you hear that?
Fucking kill me.
Who taught you?
Fucking kill me.
Who taught you that?
Mama taught me that.
Mama taught you that?
Fucking thing.
Are you kidding me?
It's fucking. Are you kidding me? Fucking.
Hey. You don't use language like that. You're a lady.
I want to say that. Fucking kill me.
Hi! Are you? Oh, he's looking at the TV. He looks dead. No, straight up. You can't tell me that you wouldn't think he was looking at you.